What did we get in that one box?
So hi, Michael, Michelle, and Tahani. So if you were realizing, this is the Fierce family.
So there's Mama.
Mama.
And she's got a bunch of little babies over there. All blue. Okay. And
All
who's
blue,
that?
they love blue. And this is the Chic family.
And this is the Chic family with lots of little pink head babies. Okay. And dogs.
This,
And then does she have babies?
well, no, because she is a single woman. So
She's a single woman. Okay.
So she doesn't really, she's like other ones. She's single.
She's like an auntie. So she's
they're
auntie.
all single.
All
yeah,
single.
She's an auntie.
Oh, all the mommies are single? No daddies?
No daddy.
Okay.
No big daddy, because they haven't come out in the LOL section yet.
Would you buy one of the LOL daddies?
Yeah, if they're not one of the fake ones that has chemicals and stuff.
Oh, I didn't hear about that.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's from one of your videos.
That's in one of my videos?
No, one of the Honey and Michelle.
Oh, Tahani and Michelle told you, and Michael told you about fake ones. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, you're off
no,
video
that's
now.
chemical.
All right, and bye.
And that was
One present. All of this. I mean, that is a score, Nyla. That is a score. Oh. Goodness.
break it down.